All right, let's start getting into this. Woo! Bitcoin. My goodness. Looking at the corn. Oh, welcome in, people. Welcome to a Thursday night where we have members-only chat, but this live stream is open to everyone to view. I do have 12 crypto I want to bring to your guys' attention. Number one, because I think it would be requested a lot, and number two, I want to look at a couple of them. Yo, what's up, Defo? How you doing today? So yeah, looking at Bitcoin, we are on a confirmed breakout of the downsloping channel. This is absolutely amazing. Kind of too bad we only got a wick right here on the 4-hour, and it's going to be closing in the next 34 minutes. So that is, number one, causing my trade to be terrible, but it is causing a little bit of turmoil in the markets. On your 4-hour, you are very high in this bullish control zone. Going into our 1-hour. On our 1-hour time frame, it does look like we are starting to put in some bearish divergence, so that is one thing we do got to pay attention to. Looking into the 15-minute. On our 15-minute, it looks more like it's just trying to reset its indicator before trying to run up again. So, very interesting price action here on Bitcoin, looking kind of wild. Looking at it on the daily, though, your daily looks absolutely fine. This looks like it is basically breaking out, backtesting at support, and trying to run again. So, if this does continue, this is going to be absolutely wild, because on your daily time frame, we do have a price target for Bitcoin, noted, going into price discovery, of course. But we're looking for at least $133,000 for Bitcoin. This could make Bitcoin go up 32%. Absolute craziness if it does get that breakout. So that's kind of amazing. But we do need to get above 104,000 before we can even talk about that. Maybe even grab a back test while we're at it. Price action has been wild. You're right. Good. You do you, bro. I'm gonna do me. Let's go ahead and check out our liquidation map, our heat map over here on CoinGlass. Let's see. We do have Bitcoin on the 24-hour. It does seem like we have some longs that could get taken out if the price does come below 100K. And there are a lot of longs sitting down here. Holy moly. Yeah, if we start seeing price come down to 99.3, this could get ugly. Very little by way of people going short. That's kind of rough. Looking at our weekly. Oh. It looks like there's hardly any liquidity when it comes to leverage. Considering your shorts, yeah, there's hardly anything. They've been getting devastated. Your longs, there's not much down here. Seems like a lot of longs have already taken profit? I don't know. This looks kind of strange. Looks like we might be running out of fuel for this rally and we might start trading sideways. That's too bad. That's too bad. But right now, Bitcoin is up 1%, and it does look like it's going to try to push a bit higher. Your relative strength on the daily says we have nothing but room for upside, because we did get a great reset while maintaining our level right above 91,900. So that's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. All right, next I'm going to show you guys the trade that I got into, which is FWOG, and how it's devastating me right now because we're not 100%. What's up, Max? How you doing? We are not 100% traders out here, nor will I ever claim to be, but FWOG here is putting me through my paces, I'll tell you what. So FWOG, we had an absolute gorgeous breakout of the downtrend. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way real quick. The 34% is what I'm looking for here. Yo, what's up, NBD? How you doing? So on your daily, you did have this low right here, and then you had a lower price on a breakout and a back test, but you did not back test major support. So this is really what you're looking for. We got bullish divergence on the daily. You can see from this low, higher low, see from this low, lower low. Bullish divergence, new uptrend has formed, and now I am trying to play this thing as best as I can, but man, oh man, are they not making it easy anymore. First trade I was in was this great green candle right here, the 27%. I took nearly all of it, if I'm going to be honest. But Now, it's looking like it wants to come all the way down to our supply line again, which that would stop me out because I'm expecting this wick low to hold up. All it has to do is test its 50 simple moving average, and I'm toast. Reason why I got into this trade was actually because of the 5-minute, but I'm going to show you what this looks like on the 15. So on your 15-minute, we technically are forming bullish divergence. If this thing could stop falling, that's all I really need. Just stop going down, start going up. We had a downtrending level of resistance we broke out of. We had another downtrending level of resistance that we broke out of. So I'm just kind of thinking, hey, time for this thing to make that next leg up. And based off this move right here, from this low to high, I am now looking at price action getting up to overhead resistance at 25,872. I just had to lower my stop loss, so I did lower it down. We are now sitting at 1802, but it's looking like it is still going for my stop loss. So that does kind of seem annoying, but hey, once again, we are not 100% traders. If it does turn around right here, beautiful, 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 but it needs to not break the strength. So that's what I'm looking at on the 15-minute. Reason why I got into this trade actually was because of the 5-minute. And noted, I was up pretty well up here because we're on a 15x long, but I got in because of this low to this low. And if we look at our relative strength from that point on your 5-minute, we had a low and a higher low. We did have bullish divergence. Now we are oversold. So that was annoying. Anyways, we are getting canceled out of our bullish divergence here, which is really frustrating, but we are forming bullish divergence on the 15-minute, which is stronger, I would say. But if we make a leg up, I'm getting the heck out of this trade. If we don't get above 20 cents, I'm getting out of here. I just need to not get stopped out. Okay. On that breakout, had your take profit at 103 instead of 102. Got out at 101 though. Not bad, not bad. You're in a 70x trade for Bitcoin. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Nice. All right, so that's what trade I'm currently in, and more than likely going to get stopped out on, which so frustrating. But you guys at least saw my thought process on getting into this trade, and it's just deciding, no, you don't get gains tonight. We'll see if I get stopped out. Who cares? It'll be 73% loss, but the upside potential was this 36% move to the upside. Alrighty, I have dinner. My wife loves me still. This is a good day. Good day. Let's move this out of the way. Let's put this right here. Alrighty. So now, things I wanted to bring to your attention and look at, because I'm guessing anybody who's viewing would like me to look at them as well. Let's first go into the elephant in the room, XRP. So XRP, where this thing can go, we've been saying it for a while now. $4.40. That is the target. 440, and it looks like it's trying to make a straight beeline up there, which is absolutely crazy. See, please, when you get a chance. Don't worry, I got you, Max. See. Alrighty. So, looking at this on the daily, it's just running. It is not stopping for anyone. It is a straight line up. So we are about to hit that very first profit-taking level based off this higher time frame. So we're looking at 357 as a great idea of taking some profits. But it seems like the XRP army is aiming for not only all-time highs, but slightly higher. Thing I would be worried about, though, is you are starting to create that bearish divergence. So we might see a pretty decent pullback right after, just as normal price action. I don't know what's happening with XCN, but wow. That thing went up like 40% yesterday, and now on the new day it's up another 33. I have no idea what's going on with that thing, but it's going apeshit. Anyways, So XRP, we still have a bit more leg room to go if it decides to keep on just going in a straight line up. 32% more to the upside is my target, but who knows where this thing stops, because it seems like the hype season is in. So hype all around. Let's go, let's get it, let's do all the stuff and the things. Now, my preferred between the two, we're going to look at XLM. XLM is still chugging along. Love to see that. Looks like we're not getting a pullback in sight either for XLM, which XLM, it's acting a lot more normal in comparison to XRP. However, you still have 24% based off this small move right here, but based off your larger move, XLM could see 97 cents. But you can see it's moving a lot more like a normal market rather than the crazy hype XRP's running through right now. So I'm interested to see how this thing goes. I'm going to get rid of my alerts though, because I'm not in on a trade and I forgot to get rid of them. Anyways, we're going to see how this goes. That's XLM. It's chugging along with XRP. So I guess people are still on it. Next up, we're going to be checking out is HBAR. So HBAR, Hedera hash graph, is doing the XRP thing where it's just running. So this one, our price target is actually at 55,587. This is going kind of nuts. What up, Crypto Ballas? What's up, Dr. Techno? How you doing? So yeah, this thing is going absolutely wild until it gets some form of pullback. If you're not already in on the trade, I mean, good luck trying to get in. You just broke a level of resistance and you're still going. No pullback in sight, just running. The thing that worries me most though is you already put in bearish divergence on the daily. Looks like you're going to go for triple bearish divergence. Be careful if this thing starts pulling back, because you got a lot of downside it could go. So just be a little careful if it does start pulling back. Keep that in mind. Triple bearish divergence is starting to form on the daily. If you end up getting a little pullback and then you break that high on the relative strength, it would actually cancel out the bearish divergence, which would be great. Doing good, bro. Give a quick glance at Solo real quick. Moving with the market. We will check out some Solo for you. I got you. So, now moving along to the next one, we're going to check out Algorand, that has been moving kind of like XRP. Algo is going nuts. So, looking at this thing, it honestly kind of looks a lot like XRP. Looks like we are on the road to 90 cents, but we just recently broke above 46 cents, which is a major level of resistance. So this thing is actually still going pretty strong. The difference though, you don't have that bearish divergence yet. So as it moves up, we could start forming that bearish divergence. So cautious. If it starts pulling back, we get that lower high, take those profits. You need the profits. It's a good idea. My feeling that I should long, so that means I should short. Boy, that is a smart way of thinking, because the composite operator out there, that's exactly what they want you to do. Start going long, and then get wrecked. That's exactly what they want. Should have kept Algo. Hey, I got out of that trade early also, don't you worry. Now, one that I wasn't a trade in earlier that I should have held, because it didn't go down as far as I thought it would, but it's fine. We're not 100% traders. We never will be. But we're going into ADA next, which is currently breaking out of its downtrend. Currently, right now. Breaking on out. So this has a very promising future ahead. Overhead resistance, it's at $1.4597. However, if it starts doing that weird thing that these American cryptos are doing, we might see this thing pop right on up to $195. Or $1.95. Wow. Not $195. $1.95. $1.95. Not higher. Oh boy. Should have held your 3-cent Doge too. Hey, everybody shoulda, woulda, coulda. It is what it is. All we can do is profit on the downtrends by buying in at lower prices. That's all we can do. Add Tia to the list. Got you. Tia. All right. So this is what I'm seeing out of ADA. We are currently on a breakout. This thing does not. Oh wait, yes it does. It does have a little bearish divergence here. So if we do cross that high, expect that 195, but be on the lookout for those pullbacks. Be on the lookout, because they could come and they could come fast. Next up, we got Sol. 5 L's, 2 wins. Hey, the 2 wins will outweigh the 5 L's depending on the percentage gained. All right. Sol. So Solana here. It has been doing very well. If I do say so myself. You did have the hidden bullish divergence right here. You had the downtrend, the breakout, the back test. This thing is doing all the stuff in the things, not to mention bullish divergence on the daily. Everything was saying Solana was about to start making some moves, but I don't have it marked out where we should be going. So right now, let's find out real quick where Sol should be headed, and that's $331. On this next leg up, we should be able to see another 56% upside move. So that looks very, very promising. You are above resistance at 202. All you got to do is stay above 202, and this all could happen. So let's see how the traders take this one. Next up, we're going to be looking at is Kaspa. Kaspa's been on an absolute tear, so let's see what it's doing today. Today, we are still above resistance at 144,321, so that's great to see. Noted, you guys should all know how I feel about Kaspa, but right now we're about to hit that first profit-taking level at 15992. Great to see that. However, as I've said before, anything under 189995 accumulation range, all of it, all of this accumulation range. I don't give a shit. This thing's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go wild. So something to keep in mind with Kaspa. This thing is doing extraordinarily well. Did we? Nope, we just had bullish convergence. Nothing. Oh, we had the bullish divergence right here on the back test, slightly lower low, then stronger strength, all that. OXT and BAT, sure, got you. OXT, BAT, got you covered. So yeah, this is Kaspa in all of its glory, testing your 200 daily moving average. Once you break back above it, I mean, see you later. Off to the races, enjoy. But a lot going for Kaspa. This is looking extremely well. And noted, my first profit taking level is going to be at like 2474. Actually, I take it back. My first profit taking level is going to be up here at 914738. But for traders, you're probably going to be looking at this 247457. So that's what you'd be aiming at right now, just based off what I see. And you will be in price discovery at that point, so it could continue running. Anyways, moving on to the next one, I think everyone should pay attention to a little bit, and that is KDA Cadena. So KDA, if they can get their act right, oh boy, KDA could be a contender. But let's go ahead and see what this chart is doing, because I actually haven't looked at it in a while. Looks like, what the heck was that? Alright, looks like we have made a little bit of a breakout. We got a lower low. No bullish divergence to speak of. That's kind of a shame. Sheesh, I would love 90 cents. I've been waiting on OXT to move. I think gave some good gains when it runs. Yeah, that's true. XRP Foundation is appealing the SEC decision. Maybe why XRP rocket fuel. Maybe. Or it's just because Gensler's leaving. So that could be the case. Anyways, let's go out to our weekly. I know there's something that had my attention here. Oh, it was the double bottom. That's why. Anyways, we are setting that first higher low. We reset our weekly RSI, which is absolutely fantastic. Your daily is coming out of the bearish control zone while coming up. What we're looking for now is that first higher low. That's really going to be a big deal, but once this thing gets moving, we could see KDA rally on up to $2.95. That is a 221% gain, and noted, they are in direct competition with Caspa. However, Caspa's doing their job way better. Like, way better. Just bar none, way better. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, no bullish divergence. What a shame. So yeah, we're just looking to hope that we are going to hold 83 cents and then start moseying on up. One thing you should know about KDA is where its all-time high was. This thing actually got up to $9.68 back in 2022 when this came about. So technically, this thing was born during a bear market. So we're going to see exactly what this can do this bull run. If it can start gaining some traction, this could be an extremely good hold for everybody. So let's wait and see if it does it. I'm going to take a quick glance real fast at my trade and see if I'm about to get stopped out. Oh my God, they are trying so hard to stop me out. Are we serious? Anyways, moving right along, one thing I've been seeing a ton of hype on in X is One Harmony. So it did make me want to look at the chart as well as bring it to your guys' attention. Wow, I guess the hype is real. Holy moly. So on your weekly time frame, you can see we did bottom out. We had a nice rally, and now we're getting a back test of former resistance as support. That's beautiful. Let's check out your daily time frame. Great breakout, great double bottom, holding support. Love it. Give me that first higher low, then we're talking. But as a measured move of where I'd be looking for this thing to go, I'm looking for 7 cents. So from where you're sitting right this moment, we might see One Harmony take a nice little gallop up 165%. So something to keep on the radar. This thing could be ready to launch any day now. We do have bullish divergence on the 4-hour. We're just looking for that higher low. That's all we need. A low, one more higher low. It could even be a test of 2185, which would be preferred. And then, hey, let's go to town. Let's make this 165. Actually, at that point, if you got that low, 219% upside move. That would be amazing. But that's One Harmony. That's looking pretty damn good. Last one I wanted to bring to all of your guys' attention, Dogecoin. So let's check out Doge and let's see what it's doing. So, what the fuck was that? Dogecoin. We are above resistance at 37 cents. We are broken out. We are waiting to see 41 cents. However, let's go ahead and focus in on where your real overhead resistance is. It's at 57 cents. So right now, I am just patiently waiting for Dogecoin to get on up there. We're looking for anywhere between a 48 to what is very likely an 85% move to the upside on Dogecoin. You are literally on a confirmed breakout, but you do have a lower high so far on the 4-hour, and you are consolidating. Your daily is basically saying, hey, we got room to run, let's do this. So that's what's happening with Doge right now. I am getting roasted in my trade. I am so darn sad about that. They just can't let me win. They just can't. They're making it so hard. The depth in which they're coming down just to make sure bullish divergence doesn't happen right here. Shocking. All right, PRCL and Peanut got you covered. PRCL and Peanut got you covered. We'll dive into those right now. So those were all the ones I wanted to show you, and now we're going to be taking all the requests and going from there. So let's get on into this while we end up hearing my trade die off in the background. PRCL coming in hot. Never heard of this token. Never looked at this token. This is brand new to me. So let's check it out. This is brand new to everybody. It's been out since 2020 April. Since April. All right, sweet. So just so you know, with this amount of information, we could be slightly more accurate, but we're really just grasping at straws here. We're hoping for the best. If we had multiple years, oh man, that would be fantastic. Just so everybody knows. All right, looking at our daily time frame here, it does look like we're just trying to reset. We have no, wait a minute. Looks like we have bullish divergence on the daily. Oh shit, let's couple this up with a breakout. Do we have the breakout? Do we? Right here and here we have the breakout. Breakout, bullish div. We might actually see this go up. Phenomenal. Love to see that. I will mark out this other downtrending level of resistance because you're trying to fight through it right now. So I will mark that out because it is important. But if you can get that breakout and stay out, this thing could rally straight back up to 58 cents. If you continue to the upside, you do have a great target ahead because this is a higher low. This is great to see. What did you bounce off of? Oh, wow. So you actually bounced off of this former resistance and you held it as support. So as soon as you get to the other side, you might see yourself at 25.51 once again. But over time, we might see this at $1.584. So this could be gearing up for a massive rally. 256% upside is possible. Let's see if it happens, but it does look very promising for upside right now. We do have seller exhaustion happening, and we're starting to see our first green sell on the MACD coming on your daily. This looks phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. I'm not sure if you're trading this on leverage or not, so I'm going to leave it on the daily because it is a little newer. I guess we'll see if the 4 hours a little hot. Yeah, 4 hours just a little bit hot. You did have your bullish divergence. You're just waiting to see that higher low. So hopefully it gets the breakout first, gets that nice higher low, testing the demand line, and then it starts running, but we will see. As a bearish test, we would be looking for this thing to stop around 539. So maybe on the bearish side of things, you only rally up 83%. I feel like that's still a decent amount of gain, even on the bearish side. So not bad, not bad. Let's go ahead and check out Peanut next. I believe it got listed on Binance, so Peanut. So Peanut did get listed on Binance, but we need all the data we can get. So I'm guessing Peanut the Squirrel right here on Gate.io might be more data. Yeah, looks like it. All right, let's go out to our daily. Yeah, we're going to have to do this on the daily because there's not much information here. But we can go with the nice downtrend. We broke out. Beautiful. Let's check out our RSI. Low. Same low. Slightly lower price. This is a form of bullish divergence. It's just not a very strong bullish divergence. We would prefer to have the higher strength, not the same strength. But that is fine. No big deal. Let's go ahead and give ourselves some levels to focus in on. Right there, you're trying to fight against resistance right now. Got right there, which is some level of resistance, and right here. Those are going to be the main spots that are going to give you some real issues of getting through, but honorable mention up here at 179. So these are all your levels. You could get hung up. However, this is a higher low, so understand what could happen is this thing could start rallying to the moon. We could see this thing just start pumping out of nowhere. Since it is a meme coin, we could see it go up to $4.02. Sheesh. So this thing on a next leg up could see a 562% move to the upside. That is a possibility. On your bearish case, you could see it go up something like hitting resistance at 179, creating a lower high. So on your bearish case, you're looking at 200%. I feel like it could be worse. So that's what I'm seeing out of Peanut. Looking pretty solid here. And let's go and see if you're overbought on... No, your 4 hour actually looks ready to rock and roll. You just crossed into your bullish control zone, holding as support. Very nice. Love to see that. Peanut went down, stayed down. That's true. It went way down. Thank you, sir. No problem, Melanie. Anytime. Anytime. As I get stopped out of my trades. All right, moving along. Let's go ahead and check out C token. SEI. So, C token. Currently, it is trying to do something on your 4-hour. We do have bullish divergence, I believe. Yep, we got our bullish div right here to here on the 4-hour. Beautiful. I want that higher low, though. I really do want that higher low. Looking at the daily, we have bullish divergence on the daily. Let's go. This is doing all the stuff in the things. He's a lady. Maybe I missed it. Did you check C? What? Oh boy. Melanie is a lady. Anyways, C token right now, we do have the bullish divergence on your daily. This is absolutely amazing. On a confirmed breakout. Beautiful. And the, mildly higher low. Mildly. But you are at a higher low. So that is positive. We could see C token rally on up all the way to 96.27. 37% upside, but let's go into what our bearish move could be based off this move right here. On your bearish side, you might see only 59 cents, so keep that in mind. While this is going up, there could be a lot of sell pressure sitting at a 46% rise, so let's wait and see what happens. I don't have the nuts to buy 89k BTC. Thought it was going lower. Oh no. Oh no. That's terrible. So that's what I'm seeing out of C token. Looks like on the 4-hour you're going to want to consolidate a little bit. We're going to see how it goes. Looks like Bitrue removed BLZ listing. Did it really? Oh no. Well, why would Bitrue unlist anything? Bitrue, oh, they do nothing. They literally do not. They have no volume, period. They have no reason to delist a damn thing. Jeez, that's terrible. Wow. FWOG might be saving my cheeks. Not bad. All right, moving along, we got Tia. So checking out Tia next. Where's Tamara? Anyways, so wow, we're on the 4-hour. Do we have? I mean, I guess we have bullish divergence on the 4-hour. We did hold this, I guess, back test as well. Trend reversal in play. As a bearish 5-0, we could see this thing rally up 129%. Absolutely great. But on the bearish 618. Oh, whoa. Nope, that's not right. Hold on. The bearish 618. We could see this thing go up to 1460, being 166% upside move. That is crazy. Celestia looking really good right now for upside move. You're coming out of the bearish control zone. I guess you do have some type of bullish convergence. You double bottomed, which is even better. So now you're expecting price not to get below $4.33. This looks really good. Tia's still bearish. No, looking pretty good. Unless they have an unlock coming, they look really good. Honestly, looks really good. So I'm thinking they're about to have a nice little rally up. We will see what happens, though. Always could be wrong. I don't think so. C's a good project. Oh boy, here we are. Alright, OXT is next. OXT. Checking out OXT Orchid. I know I've looked at this chart before, right? Oh, I haven't looked at it on OKX. I haven't looked at this chart in a while. Let's see if my lines actually line up properly. Oh, they do. Alright. Alright. Maybe I've looked at it more recently than I thought. Maybe. But let's get some fresh, get this noise out of here. So what we did have was a low, a higher low, and now we are finding a consolidation above our 50 weekly moving average. That's not bad. That is not bad. No bearish divergence on the weekly either. This is actually really nice to see. Going in, nope. Need the daily. Daily, not the 4 hour. Daily. Okay, on the daily, we do have a downtrending level of resistance that we have been acting as strong resistance. Very nice consolidation here. Solid. My BLZ on to the next trade. Oh, you sold your BLZ? Yeah, that's kind of rough. It's getting delisted everywhere. I don't even understand why. What did they do wrong? Outside of people just not using their network. Like, I don't get it. Okay, so OXT, you're sitting in neutral territory in relative strength. You're sitting in your bearish control zone on the CCI indicator. This could go up, but it also could fall. You're still in consolidation. APL, we'll check out some APL. So right now, if this thing does break out, I'm looking at this more as a bullish consolidation, falling wedge, not a bull flag. So automatically, I'm going to look at this as when it does break out, because it took so long to break out, we could see a rally, something like this, 46% upside. However, say they decide to keep being super bullish in the market, we might see it go higher, testing somewhere around this 22.96 level. So maybe we get extended up to 101%. Apple. Oh, you want me to look at stock? Gotcha. We'll check out some Apple. We'll check it out. Oh no, FWOG, you're killing me. You're killing me slowly too. Jeez, such a shame. I don't like it when trades don't go well like that. Everything looked good except for it wasn't touching its supply line. Too bad. Anyways, so this on the 4 hour, let's see what we got. 4 hour, you could break out any day now. You are on some very, and I mean very tight moving averages. You just retook your 50. This could literally blast off any day. So let's see what happens when it does. But yeah, you're in the bullish control zone right now on your 4 hour. It's really OKX's problem if they lose it. So we'll see what happens. I'm still alive. Anyways, going on to BAT, basic attention token. While I'm looking at this on the Brave browser app, let's see what's going on. China is holding their equipment and banning employees from moving to India. Wait, what? That is wild. Oh, that is wild. Wow. That's crazy. Apple struggling with the Chinese. Oof. Alright, checking out our daily here with BAT. So basic attention token has been finding so much resistance off this demand line, but now you finally got a higher low. So this is bullish consolidation. Your daily is showing it wants to go up. That is nice. That is great to see. If we get a breakout sometime in the next century, we might see this thing rally on up to 51 cents. You're going to have to break through that 44 cents though. Checking out the 4 hour time frame, you're in the bullish control zone. You're on top of all your moving averages. They're extremely tight. Basic attention token, it is one of those weird ones where it could just take off on you one day and you would have no idea. It would just be like, oh, it's up 30%. Out of the blue. It's frustrating when things do that, but BAT is one of those. Yeah, so that's what I see out of basic attention token. Mr. Buffett cannot get out of Apple fast enough. Oh no. Alright, let's go ahead and check out Apple's stock real quick as the final request tonight. APL. So Apple APPL. Right? AAPL. That's what it is. Apple. Alrighty. So checking out, oh no. We looked at this before. I pointed out that rising wedge pattern. Oh geez. 4 hour, you broke down, you back tested it bearishly, and you're moving. Oh goodness gracious. Price target for Apple right now is $183. Oh no. Oh, you lost your 50 and your 100 simple moving averages. On the day, you lost 4%. Stocks can't do that. Stocks can't. Oh no. That's terrible. That is absolutely terrible. And some solo real quick. Did I skip solo? Did I? Oh shit. I put a check next to it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Dr. Techno. That's my fault. I didn't realize I skipped it. My bad. I was flying through these charts, man. But yeah, so Apple right now, I mean, you're almost in oversold territory. You might catch a bounce or something, but Apple not looking good. Let's look at some levels where you could find some bids where it could bounce. We do have a lot of support down here at 197. You bounced off of it once back here. Maybe it comes straight down there. Maybe, because you just lost support at 232. Did not want to fall below that, because now you have a new level of resistance. That's too bad. But if you continue to the downside, you might see Apple come all the way down here to 166.35. That is tough. All right, Apple. Good luck, Apple. We wishing you the best. Hopefully you can fight against the Chinese. Get after it, buddy. All right, Solo. Sologenic. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, you're breaking out right now. Beautiful. We've been waiting for that for so gosh darn long. Oh, man. One more for the night. I don't mind waiting. AMD, please. We will check out some AMD for you. AMD. So, Sologenic, you finally, after all this time, you got the 31%. Now you are going to be looking to get up to 68926. If you can break that level, you're then going to be looking for 84.24. If you break all of that and it starts getting a little buck wild out here, you're looking for $1.53. So Sologenic's looking really good, finally breaking out. Let's check your 4-hour time frame, and you are putting in some, I don't know, you're just in that bullish control zone. It's not really bearish, it's not overbought, it's just chugging along. GFI 2, please. Got you covered on GFI. I do have a stake in GFI, so I might as well look at it. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, not overbought either. This thing might actually continue rallying. So I would first be looking for another 10% upside. From there, we will reassess, see if it's a good looking thing or not, because on your 1 hour, you do technically have, it canceled out. I would say you technically have it, but you don't, because you did have a high right here, higher high, higher relative strength, canceled out the bearish divergence. This could continue chugging along. So that's really cool to see. Solo finally getting some love. Finally. Let's check out AMD. AMD. Oof! I didn't think it kept going down, but here we are, still down there. Didn't get the breakout. Oh no. As long as we stay above 111.60, we're golden. We're fine. We're doing just fine. You had a rough day today. No problem. It was only 1.27%. Let's not lose ourselves. Can we talk about the likes? Yeah, we need some more likes. Night Traders, may the force be with you. Yes, we need all the luck in the world being in a trade overnight. Oof. Adios, Boyd. Have a good night, Boyd. I do appreciate you. Apple is 7% of the market. Too big to fail. That's true. It is too big to fail. It really is too big to fail. But it could have a correction. All right, looking at AMD. AMD, you're still good. You still have bullish divergence. You're just waiting to get that confirmed breakout and higher low. After that higher low, you're looking for at least 26.25% upside, getting up to $151. However, this is an absolute beast of a falling wedge. Absolute beast. Once you can break out, get a solid back test, hopefully above 127, but if you do come all the way back down to 111, that's fine. You could see a move either 77% upside, or if you do come all the way down there, 88% upside, getting you up to that 211 number. So that is crazy for AMD, but you're still in consolidation mode. You're at the bottom. You're literally at probably one of the best places to buy into AMD possible, because you do have daily bullish divergence, and it does look like it really wants to break out. Also, it's showing signs of seller exhaustion, so that's even better. All right, moving right along, we got Goldfinch GFI. Goldfinch. Let's see how it's been performing. Oh, it just barely is getting started. Holy moly. But we did find support at 127. Beautiful. Love to see that. On your daily time frame, we were completely oversold. We're getting this higher low. Not bad. Let's move this out of the way. So, from this low to this low. Do we have it? No, we don't. Okay, no big deal. But Goldfinch. No problem, Melanie. Goldfinch on the bearish side. You're looking to get back up to $4.21. We could see Goldfinch rally straight on up 229% on a bearish move. That is on the bad side. On your good side, though, we could be seeing this thing mosey on up to $9.75. Oh my, oh my. Could be a 669% move to the upside. Oh my, does that look bullish as hell. Beautiful. That's on your daily, too. That's going to take some time to play out, of course. Let's check your 1 hour. 1 hour's reset and ready to go. Are we on top of our moving average? We are on top of our moving averages. Goldfinch, even on the slower time frames, looks ready to rock and roll. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Your 4 hour, you are not above your 200 yet. It looks like you're going for that higher low situation, so that is fine. That is perfectly fine. So yeah, that's Goldfinch. Great time to accumulate, great time to hold. These are the areas you want to buy in at. These are the areas. So then you can sell off when it goes up like crazy. Oh, man. All right, well, I guess this was the most easy stream I have ever had in my existence. We cleared this within 49 minutes. Damn, we speed ran this. Yo, what's up, Rave? How you doing? Good evening to you. Good evening, Rave. How you doing? You came in at the butt end. I just took care of all requests. Absolutely nuts. Looking back on my trade, though, golly, it is trying so hard to take me out. Oh my. Trying so desperately hard. Back at Bitcoin. It's probably Bitcoin's fault. It's probably Bitcoin's fault. It's finding a lot of resistance right now. It's fighting it. But can you just not dump? That's all I need. Just don't dump. So then FWOG has a chance to run, damn it. That's all I really want. Anyways, Bitcoin is looking pretty solid. Even if it pulls back, you're looking to hold support at 99,515. Hopefully they don't do that over in the middle of the night, but if they do, we're going to have plenty of great entries coming into Friday, and hopefully we can get a little bit of extra side cash for some beers, maybe even a tomahawk steak, who knows. I already told the wife when I get my first 1000X on all these brand new tokens I'm posting about, which also, everybody, I'm going to be posting those brand new tokens. I'm going to try and get two videos a day on those, and at least one TA video every single day. So we're going to see if I can keep up that pace of 3 videos. It takes a lot of talking to get that done. I'll tell you what, talking for 10 minutes straight is rough. But here I am doing it for hours on end, but you know, I'm special like that, right? Anyways, everybody, I appreciate you all for coming out. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all the trading out there. Hopefully you paid attention to the Discord, because in that Discord today I posted like a maniac. On top of the 3 videos, how many of these things did I post? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I gave you guys 9 trade setups today. That is absolutely ridiculous. Maybe I shouldn't spam you that much. I bet half of you didn't even look at it. But anyways, it's a free Discord for anybody who's new here. And yeah, I do that stuff all the time. Anyways, good night, everybody. I appreciate you. Keep those stop losses tight. I will catch you tomorrow. And we'll see how many requests we get on a Friday night. Anyways, deuces all. I'm out. Take it easy. Sleep well. They all on your watch list? Nice, Defo. Nice. Love to hear.